Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am solving CMI BSc Data Science, that means BSc at Chennai Mathematical Institute entrance examination recent past paper solution. So if you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate, please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query in WhatsApp. So in CMI entrance related examination, we need to first know the approach of how to solve this question in tricky way. So already all you all know that Dr. Sourav Sir Classes is the best coaching institution for preparing CMI entrance examination. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav Sir's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number 3. Here the polynomial will be given. This is the polynomial. And question number 3 is say that find the remainder when px is divided by x plus 1. So how to solve it? So in question number 3 we need to apply the approach of remainder theorem. Okay, so here we can use according to remainder theorem, the remainder of polynomial x, remainder of a polynomial px when divided by x minus a, the remainder is probability of a. Here x plus 1 equals to 0, that means x equals to minus 1, so the value of a also minus 1. So here a equals to minus 1, that means we need to evaluate the value of p of minus 1. So here probability of x equals to x to the power 6 plus 10x to the power 5 plus 11x to the power 4 plus 12x cube plus 13x square minus 12x minus 11. So probability of minus 1, that means minus 1 whole to the power 6, negative to the power odd, that means also negative, and negative to the power even is even. That concept already you know. So 10 into minus 1 to the power 5 plus 11 into minus 1 to the power 4 plus 12 into minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square minus 12 into of minus 1 minus 11. Okay, so what is the value? That means 1 minus 10 plus 11 minus 12 plus 13 plus 12 plus 13 plus 12 minus 11. So here we cancelling out, plus 11 minus 11 minus 12 plus 12. So what is the result? 13 plus 1 14 and minus 10, 14 minus 10 means 4. So correct option is, so the remainder is 4. So correct answer is, question number 3, the correct answer is 4. So the next question, let z1 z2 up to z6 be the 6th complex root of polynomial x. Evaluate the value of summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi square. So how can I solve it? To find the sum of square of the roots, we can use the identity. That means, so we can find this, evaluate this using Vita's formula. Okay, so the sum of the polynomial is equal to the sum of the roots of polynomial px is equal to the negative of the coefficient is equal to the sum of the polynomial px is equal to the negative of the coefficient of x to the power 5, negative of coefficient of x to the power 5 divided by coefficient of x to the power 4, x to the power 6. So negative coefficient of x to the power 5, that means coefficient of x to the power 5 is 10, and negative coefficient minus 10. A coefficient of x to the power 6, that means 1. So what will be the result here? Minus 10. So to find the sum of the square of the root, we can use the identity. So what is the identity? Summation of y equals to y1 equals y equals to 1 to 6 zi whole square, that is equals to summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi square plus 2 into summation of 1 less than equals to I less than j less than equals to 6 equals to zi zj. So we know summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi equals to minus 10, and summation of 1 less than equals to I less than equals to only less than j less than equals to 6 zi zj equals to coefficient of x to the power 4 divided by leading coefficient what is the leading coefficient here? Coefficient of x to the power 4 by leading coefficient, that means the result is 11. Okay, so substitute this value minus 10 whole square equals to summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi square plus 2 into 11, that means 100 equals to summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi square equal plus 22. So we can represent it as I equals summation of I equals to 1 to 6 zi square, that is equals to 100 minus 22, that means the result is 78. So in question number 4 the correct answer is 78. Okay, in the last question and question number 5, what will be the say? Question number 5, find the integer n with at least possible absolute values such that px has probability of x has a real root between n and n plus 1. So write the number along with your reason as per instruction below. So how can I solve it? We will solve it using intermediate value theorem. Intermediate value theorem. Okay, such that according to intermediate value theorem, px changes sign between probability of x changes sign between n and n plus 1. So then px has real root in in the interval 0 1. So the least possible so px has real root in this is a wrong statement. So px has in the real root in n and plus 1. Okay, n and n plus 1. So it's a congested place. I will write it again for you guys. So first evaluate the px some integer values what will be the values here. Probability of 0, that means 0 to the power 6 plus 10 into 0 to the power 5 plus 11 into 0 to the power 4 plus 12 into 0 cube plus 13 into 0 square minus 12 into 0 minus 11. So what will be the result here? Minus 11. And probability of 1, that means 1 to the power 6 plus 10 into 1 to the power 6, 10 into 1 to the power 5 plus 11 into 1 to the power 4 plus 12 into 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square minus 12 into 1 minus 11. So the result is here, after calculating this, 24. And probability of, since probability of 0 equals to minus 11 and probability of minus, not minus 1, here the probability is 1, probability of 1 is, and probability of 1 is 24. So px changes sign between 0 and 1, therefore there is a real root interval. Px changes sign between 0 and 1, so therefore there is a real root in the interval. There is a real root in the interval 0 1. Okay, so the least possible integer n is 0. The least possible n is 0. The reason is justified the intermediate value theorem, so the correct option is 0, 3 here. Okay, so 0, 3 is the correct answer here. In question number 5, the correct answer is 0, 3. So to know more such method, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.